Hey guys, it's Chaos World here with Naya. Her wig finally came in. So this is what it looks like. When I first got it, it was a little bit hectic because first, as I mentioned in my intro video, it was in customs and it was in customs for the longest time. So what I did was I contacted Canada Post and was like, my package, I've been waiting for so long type thing. And then they sent it the next day. So then I finally got it. But when I got the wig, when I purchased it online, it specifically said for AOD that it fits. So when I went to put it on her, it didn't fit. It didn't even fit my mini fee. So I was like, what? So I had to mod it and then I finally got it to fit. I have to be really careful with it, but yeah, I finally got it to fit. But after all that, I don't like it. I don't think I like it. I don't think blonde is her color type thing. It makes her look too light, and she's not light at all. She's really dark and like mean and stuff. So I think I'm gonna try ordering a black wig for her to see how that works out. Also, I will be doing a big order soon, so I'll be telling you guys about that and doing a little haul when it comes in. Well, that was everything for today. I just wanted to show her wig. What do you guys think? Do you think it suits her? Anyways, well, talk to you guys later. Bye.